Chapter 2. Reflections on the Reawakening XII. Why is it insulator for European historians to term the centuries after the fall of the Roman Empire the Dark Ages? Bertrand Russell explained realistically the background of the reawakening East. He says that there had always been alternation of power between East and West. After the fall of Roman Empire, East flourishing in different fields and Muslim world had a brilliant culture. This was the time when Europe was sunk into barbarism. So Europe historians call this period as Dark Ages because of their insularity. Q2. On what grounds does the author argue that communism is the most modern and virulent form of Western imperialism? XII. Bertrand Russell condemns communism because he regards that it is totally based upon force and it denies all the moral values and talents of individuals. It is similar to imperialism because it exploits the other countries. Hence, he has called it a virulent form of Western imperialism. Q.3. To what cause does the author attribute the power of England in the early 19th century and the power of the United States and Russia today? According to Bertrand Russell, England was powerful in the early 19th century, and the United States and Russia are powerful today because of making new machines and having the knowledge of science. Q4. Why does the author consider it useless to resist industrialization? The author considers it useless to resist industrialization because it is the source of power, and with the help of industrialization, undeveloped nation can get progress and can maintain their independence. Q5. Does the author welcome cultural uniformity or not? How does he justify his attitude? Bertrand Russell welcomes the good aspects of the modern culture, but he does not allow too much uniformity because it is a great danger for the old culture and it would ruin the moral values of that culture. Q.6. How is traditional culture threatened in an age dominated by science and machinery? Traditional culture is in danger in an age of science and machinery because the materialistic attitude in society may destroy the moral values as well as peace of any nation. So he asked not to make destructive weapons of war. Q7. What, in the author's view, has been the most serious flaw in the character of the West over the last few centuries? The West showed extraordinary scientific energy during the last 5 centuries, but all this was ruined because of one flaw. It utilized the energy, namely the inventions of science, to dominate the East. In fact, the West has been doing this great mistake, and it has been a great flaw in its character. Q.8. What parallels may be drawn between the decline of the power of Europe at the end of the Roman Empire and the decline in the power of Europe's science 1914? There is great similarity between the decline of power of Europe at the end of the Roman Empire and the decline in the power in 1914, just as the Roman power was destroyed by the wars. In the same way, the war between German and other accidentals weakened Europe so much that it lost its hold over Asia. Q9. What, in the author's opinion, should Asian countries accept from the West, and what should they reject? Bertrand Russell has advised Asian countries to use science and machinery for their development and says that they should save themselves from communism because it will ruin their glorious culture. Moreover, they should refrain from copying the mistakes of the West as they did it by making destructive weapons.